This NGS tunnel installation represents the first of its kind in the UK. We're extremely excited about it. The system offers multiple benefits, not least of which is the ability to maximise the production area. In a conventional production system, we're essentially cropping every second row. But with the NGS system, we have the ability to crop 100% of the area. And not only that, we also have the ability to increase the plant density. On our conventional strawberries, we're cropping at the rate of about 50,000 plants a hectare. At its most extreme in here, we have up to 200,000 plants a hectare.
We have gutters on the roof of the structure where we collect the water, all the rain, all the dew in the morning, and we send it back to the reservoir. We believe with the rainfall in this region, we're going to be 80% self-sufficient. We also collect all the water which run off the plant or the bags and then put it back to the reservoir and use it again. So we've got a 0% waste.
Where we are farming in the driest part of the driest county, it represents a huge opportunity for us to capture rainwater from the roofs and to give us the ability ultimately to increase this area and grow more fruit as a result.
Our new growing system has fully integrated climate control, so everything is working automatically. When the temperature rises, the vents are opening, vents on the top, vents on the sides, and letting air in into the greenhouse, and that way it cools the temperature down. Our system is fully enclosed. It's giving workers much better working condition. They're not exposed to the environment. Also, as it is fully enclosed system, we can produce strawberry for longer. We're starting much early in the springtime and continuing much later in the autumn.
Ultimately, the great benefit of the system is the benign environment that it creates. We've got much lower pest and disease pressure in here, and we have the ability to draw lots of air through the tunnels and essentially keep the plants nice and dry, keep humidity levels low. All that leads to what is ultimately the acid test, and that's eating the berry, and I'm delighted to say that these are fantastic. We've grown fruit on site for something over 150 years, and the company has always been innovative over that time, whether it's adopting new production techniques or planting new varieties. The installation of this NGS system represents the next stage in that process of evolution. It's cutting-edge technology and keeps us right at the forefront of the fruit industry.